If we want to add a video to our canvas, locate the magic box in the main toolbar. Locate the YouTube icon in the magic box and then perform your search. Touch the magnifying glass to perform your search. Note that this does search YouTube, but the results are filtered. Double tap the video you want to add, close the magic box, and then drag the window wherever you want it to be on your canvas. To make the window smaller, use the bottom right corner to touch and drag to resize it. To play the video, touch the play button. To enlarge the video, use the small square icon in the bottom right of the window to make the video full screen. Then touch it again to minimize it. At any time, you can use the camera button or the screen capture button to take a picture of whatever is being played in the video.